I am making 4th of July fudge. I'm gonna microwave this. Got my pan lined. I did double this time because my fudges have been sticking. Okay, so now we are mixing. Okay, now here's the question. Is this pan gonna hold it all? So we're gonna microwave this and then put the next layer on. Got the white layer. And now, red layer. Okay, I'm gonna microwave this. Now the question is, do I put on the sprinkles? Or do I just leave it solid red, white, and blue? I think I'm just gonna leave it with no sprinkles. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, so I just had a little bit of an issue getting it out, but it fell out and I think it's gonna be cool. All right, now the only question is the red gonna bleed through to the white? Well, that doesn't look as good as I was hoping it would. Okay, well, that's still pretty cool, but not near as cool as I had hoped it to be. I have no idea what happened with this fudge. Well, happy 250th anniversary anyway, America.